If you or your loved ones are suffering from chronic obstructive lung diseases, the need for oxygen is so indispensable. Although there are artificial options for increasing oxygen through means such as oxygenators and air purifiers, the natural remedies for this requirement would be really satisfying. Here is a list of top 10 plants for increasing oxygen indoors, and these plants not only release oxygen day and night but also absorb toxic gases like formaldehyde, benzene and others. Scientifically, this happens through Crassulasian Acid Metabolism, that is CAM type of photosynthesis, which produces oxygen in night. Normally, for oxygen to be released, there has to be photosynthesis, which occurs in the presence of light, whether natural light or indoor light. Here is a list of these plants. The ARECA palm, it's an indoor plant and does well in filtered light or bright indirect light. It needs to be watered often. For one person, keeping 4 such plants of about 3 to 4 feet in height in your room can provide best results. Then snake plant, also known as the mother-in-law's tongue or the Sansevieria plant. This plant is very hardy plant and can tolerate any light conditions and also requires less watering, like weekly once or max twice a week. For one person, 6 to 8 plants are recommended for best results. Then money plant. This I'm sure most of us are aware of its care tips. It prefers indirect light and needs to be watered once a week or twice a week. For one person, 3 plants of about 18 inches are recommended. Then GERBERA daisy or orange GERBERA. Its botanical name is GERBERA jamesoni. This is a beautiful flowering plant, unique for its ability to release lots of oxygen at night. Particularly very beneficial for those suffering from sleep apnea and breathing disorders like the kids with adenoids and other similar disorders. The only drawback is it's a flowering plant and needs sunlight, especially in its flowering season, that is spring and summer. Also, it needs daily watering. What you can do is shift the plant to sunlight daily or alternate days for best results. The neem tree. This is a very good option if you have your garden just across your bedroom window, and keeping a neem tree close to the window can be a very good option. Then aloe vera. This can be easily kept indoors in your bedroom. They are easy to care and require very less watering, and they do very well in direct light or even in shade. You can keep about 4 to 6 plants in your room for best results. Then Christmas cactus. This is a succulent and easy to care plant which needs less frequent watering, and this does well in indirect bright light. Then Peepal Tree, that is Ficus Religiosa or the sacred fig, where our great Gautam Buddha achieved enlightenment according to Buddhism. This tree has really interesting facts and myths. People often believe sleeping at night under this tree you will be found dead in the morning. Sounds funny, but some say this is the tree which releases loads of oxygen during the day and loads of carbon dioxide at night, and hence sleeping under this tree will kill the person due to suffocation from excessive carbon dioxide. Actually, this is not true. The peepal tree actually releases oxygen in the night time, though in smaller amounts. Then orchids, they also release oxygen during the night time, though in smaller amounts. Then tulsi or the holy basil, like similar to neem tree, you can plant these just outside your bedroom window. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video, and also share the video with your loved ones. Comment below the video if you have some more thoughts and points to add on. Consider subscribing to the channel if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening!